Welcome guys to my channel, and before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and also the bell or the ring button para ma-notify naman kayo meron akong mga bagong video. This time guys, our topic is about how to test the power supply of a computer in just 10 seconds using this wire. Okay? Pero bago ko turo sa inyo yun, before we proceed, okay, discuss ko muna sa inyo ng konti about the power supply. Kung you-open yung mga computer nyo guys, or if you have a power supply, marami pong wire na nakakabit sa ating power supply. Ano-ano ba itong mga wire na to? Okay? So, this one guys is to be connected in the motherboard. And also this wire. And remember guys, the yellow is the positive 12 volts and the black is the negative. And also meron tayong wire, makikita kayo na ganitong klase. This one is SATA connector, power SATA connector, and this one is power IDE connector. So guys, itong IDE ginagamit sa ating mga lumang hard drive, lumang DVD to supply, okay, para masupplyan sila. Pero ngayong ating mga panahon, mas ginagamit itong SATA, power SATA connector. So ito kinakabit sa ating mga hard drive, DVD, SSD. Okay, so ang voltage nito guys, the yellow is the positive 12 volts. Yung red is positive 5 volts. And the black is the negative. Okay, now the challenge guys. Let's go to the challenge. 10 seconds. Okay, let's check the 10 seconds challenge to testing whether the power supply is bad or good. Okay, I will show you guys. So kung makikita nyo guys dito, yung kanyang fan hindi umiikot. It means, okay, itong power supply nito is not ready. Okay, and wala siyang naka-plug dito na kuryente. Okay, kahit i-plug po natin to, okay, the same, hindi umiikot yung ating fan. Okay? So, ang ating indication para malaman natin na buo ang ating power supply ay umiikot ito. Pero paano ba natin matetesting yan? Umiikot to. Okay? So, ganito lang guys. Okay? So, I accept the challenge. 10 seconds. Okay guys. Timer starts now. Okay? Wait a minute. Okay, handa ko lang itong power cord natin. Okay, guys. So, 10 seconds. Timers starts now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, so yan po yung challenge natin. Nakita nyo? Ngayon umiikot na po ang kanyang fan. It means, okay, buo itong power supply. It means, so ito po yung indicator na ang ating power supply ay buo. So this power supply is good. Okay, so we test it by means of connecting the wire. Okay, so yun guys, again, one more time. Okay, so let's beat another 10 seconds. Okay, sa pamamagitan itong wire na to. Okay, let's check. Okay, again, I will show you. Okay, hindi siya umiikot. The fan is not working. Kahit i-plug ko to. So, hindi siya naikot. Okay, no more movement from the fan. It means the fan is not ready. Okay, so now the challenge, the 10 seconds challenge. Okay guys, timer starts now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys. So nakita nyo, umikot na yung fan. It means this power supply is good. Okay, so you can see there's a movement, so the fan is rotating. So ganun lang kadali guys. So that is very easy to test the power supply kung power supply nyo ay buo o sira. Okay, now the secret, I will teach you the secret guys. Okay, I beat the 10 seconds challenge, and now I will give you the secret. Okay guys, so kung makikita nyo dito sa malapad na to, ang ating show short o lalagyan natin ng jumper ay yung the green color and also the gray color. So itong dalawa na to, i-jumper nyo lang po siya. Okay, hanap lang kayo ng wire na ganito, jumper nyo lang siya. Pag siya umikot yung fan, it means buo po yung power supply. Pero kung di umikot yung fan, sira yung power supply. So ganun lang po guys, no? Jumper nyo lang to, the gray and the green color, jumperan nyo siya. Okay, put jumper in a green and a gray color connector. Okay, and then okay, pag ang fan umikot, good power supply. Pag ang fan hindi umikot, bad power supply. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Sana natuto kayo. I hope you learn something in my video. And kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, please, okay, click the subscribe button and also the bell or the ring button para ma-notify kayo meron ako mga bagong video. And also guys, please share and like this video para naman matulungan natin ang mga kakilala natin na nangangailangan ng ganitong mga kaalaman. Okay, please like and share to all your friends. And thank you for watching, and bisita nyo mo na yung aking mga video. Marami pa akong video na pinalabas. So visit lang po kayo. Marami akong technique, tips sa aking mga video. Okay guys, maraming salamat. And keep safe and may God bless us all. Thank you.